Everyone, welcome back to the next video. In this video I will show you how to do face landmark detection using vision framework in native iOS application. So firstly you will need a real device. For this you need to run this output on real device. So here you can see I have one image view and it is able to do the face landmark detection. So I'm detecting the eyes, the nose, as well as the mouth or the lips. So that's what this output is all about. Again, you will have to test this on a real iOS device. Also I will just show it to you for few other images. So if I go to my assets folder, so I'll just change the image name to a different image. I'll show you guys the output first. So here you can see this is for the other image. Just change the image to a different image. So this is for the other image. Now the last one. So here you can see this is for the final image. So yeah, let's see how to do this. So firstly I have created a native iOS application using Xcode. I am using UIKit, but if you want you can use SwiftUI as well. Then inside the assets folder I have added few images. Add whatever image you feel like. Then inside the view controller I have imported vision. I have taken UI image views as well as this UI image as well. And then I'm just initializing our UI image view and doing some NS layout constraints, adding it to our parent view. Then here we are initializing our UI image. Change this name to whatever is the name of your image and assign it to our image view. Then we are firstly detecting the rotation. Then we initialize this vn detect face landmark request. Don't forget to import vision framework. And here we just do vn image request handler, pass our CG image, convert UI image to CG image, pass the orientation and perform the request. So here firstly this is for handle face gesture. So if we don't have any observation, we just say unexpected result type. If we have, then we just call add face landmarks to image. And again, now this I have just copy pasted. You can do the same thing. I'm not really good at this, but here you can see we are detecting left eye, right eye, nose, outer lips as well as inner lips. You can do much more than this. And then once we have the final image, we just assign it to our image view, and this is for drawing landmark points. So again I have just copy pasted this code from the documentation. Maybe you can do the same thing, but yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching. Bye.